Good afternoon. Welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian and I am with
Isabel.
Isabel is going to give us the specifications on this beautiful open plan apartment. And check this out. We are right across from the Golf and Country Club here. Super close. We are in El Diamante, San Lucas area. Isabel, what is the size of this apartment and how many bedrooms?
Okay, hi expats. This is a 240 square meters apartment. It has 2 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and 2 parking lots.
Okay, and let's get it out of the way. What's the price of this beautiful apartment in US dollars?
In US dollars, it would be $640,000.
Okay.
It's full price.
Yeah, and Colombian pesos, what's the price?
In Colombian pesos, it would be 2.6 billion, which is Colombian pesos.
Yeah, and this is Colombian peso price is always the official price. Again, we quote the American dollar price, but people have to remember there's so much fluctuations in the dollar right now.
Yes, negotiation currency, it's
Always in Colombian pesos.
Never trust anyone that
Yeah,
US.
we've had that problem before, so it's just a reference.
Just
So,
a reference.
yeah, so beautiful open plan kitchen here. This looks like, actually, these are Frankie. These are, I believe, German appliances. Yeah, really, really nice. So let's take a look. Okay, show me.
So we're just across reflect.
Okay.
Here, golf courts, paddle courts, tennis courts.
Yeah, and just up the road is PriceSmart, right?
Yeah, just up the road is PriceSmart.
Yeah.
And if you go like down and then you turn to your left, you could see Carulla. The Chamber of Commerce is really close by.
It's a really, really good location. And check this out. Huge, huge. I guess this would be considered a balcony. It's almost a patio, but it wraps around here, as you can see. And then the building facade is super green. So
have no speculation. There's also people that put here kind of like a jacuzzi. You're going to put a jacuzzi inside. Also barbecue.
Right.
Things you can do.
So for outdoor entertainment, let's take a look out here. So yeah, lots of space for a jacuzzi and an outdoor kitchen. And then it has 2 bedrooms, correct?
Yeah.
Let's take a look.
This is men's closet.
Ah, okay. Lots of space for linens, yeah. Okay.
And this is secondary room.
Okay, and then it has its own ensuite bathroom also. Very nice. Really nice design here on the rain shower. Really, really nice. Okay. We'll take a look at the principal or master bedroom. Again, in here you can tell how quiet it is. They put in soundproof windows like Isabel said. Super quiet.
Here's the TV area.
Okay. TV or office area here. Okay, and then this is the master bedroom right here. Very nice. Ample space. Take a look at that. Very, very nice. And again here we have dual rain showers. And we have a walk-in closet right off the ensuite washroom here. But what I love about these newly designed buildings here, as you can see, super lush outside here. very forest-like. All right. So we'll take one last look here. Oh, one area we didn't go to is right at the front entrance here. We have the social washroom. Okay. And then back here, the typical service quarters. So there's space back here. It could be used for service people, or it could be turned into a pantry, which is what a lot of expats end up doing. They may have people come and clean, but they don't end up living in this area. This is also the area for the washer and dryer. Okay, let's take one last look at the kitchen here. Really beautiful open plan kitchen with, I believe Frankie is German or Swiss. Someone in the comments will always correct me. Again, super open plan. We'll put all the prices and the square meters in the description as always. This is Ian from ExpatCrib, and thank you, Isabel. So we'll see you in the next video.